Glas Cymru was created in 2001 to own Dwr Cymru Welsh Water and run it as a not-for-profit organisation, unlike other water companies in the UK. Welsh Water now has no shareholders. Instead, we have members, volunteers drawn mainly from the communities we serve, who fulfil the governance role of the shareholder in other companies. Our members also help ensure we maintain our single focus of delivering the best possible water and sewerage services to customers. Members of Glas Cymru therefore carry out an important role, and they're our link with communities and society. All members serve a fixed term, and when they retire they must be replaced. That's why we're looking for new members this year. So what's it like to take on this role?
What made you join Glas Cymru, and how long have you been a member?
Well, Nick, I've been a member now for 5 years. I joined because I can remember reading an article on Glas Cymru when it was formed and thinking this is a good company, going from privatisation to a not-for-profit. I also wanted to give something back, and I saw that they were recruiting for new members at the time and I applied, so here I am.
It was the not-for-profit ethos that attracted me to joining as well, and I think it's great to see that this is the only not-for-profit water provider in the whole of England and Wales.
I've also found it's been a great way to network and also find more out about the water industry, at the same time giving something back.
Yeah, well, sure. I mean, I work in not-for-profit housing sector, but it's interesting to see the way in which water is regulated in England and Wales. Some of the issues which are, unique to Glas Cymru, given its structure, but also some of the challenges that it faces in terms of making sure that there is a supply of, good quality drinking water across Wales. So it's been, genuinely interesting experience.
It's not all to do with about the drinking quality of water, it's about how they dispose of wastewater as well. And I think that's something which I found quite interesting, and there's been a lot of money put into that recently.
And it's quite a diverse membership that we get to network and meet when we have meetings. And I guess, it's important that that's sustained and that the diversity of the membership increases as we move forward, so that it is able to represent communities across Wales and people from all sorts of social backgrounds.
The members of Glas Cymru have a very important part to play in the governance of the company. For example, they approve the appointment of all the directors and they pass very important resolutions. But they also play an essential part in ensuring that Dwr Cymru operates to the very highest levels for our customers. And that's why we discuss with members of Glas Cymru our performance, our plans, and all of our investments. The role of being a member of Glas Cymru is personal to the individual. Each member is there in their personal capacity, not as a representative of any organisation. And although it's an unpaid job, we cover everyone's expenses. It's not particularly time-consuming. Communications from us are by email or letter, and there are 2 meetings a year which our members find very interesting. The members of Glas Cymru are formally appointed by the board of Glas Cymru, the directors of the company. But the selection of individuals is made by an independent panel who recommend people to the directors for appointment. It's an interesting and very worthwhile job, and we very much hope that you might consider applying to become a member.
Glas Cymru wants to ensure that membership broadly covers all sections of society. We'd like to hear from people young and old, from ethnic minorities, business people and those with experience of disability or hardship. For more details or to apply to become a Glas Cymru member, please visit our website or write to the address on screen. Or you can email company.secretary@dwrcymru.com. A list of the current members of Glas Cymru can be viewed on our website www.dwrcymru.com.